Drill Group does drilling and sawing and controlled demolition, floor preparation, fire stopping and scanning for the construction industry and civil industry across the board. What I like about my job is it's different every day. I get to travel around the country to construction sites, very unusual construction sites, different construction sites. I get to see my branches around the country. I interact with the boys on site when I'm doing the apprenticeship course. I'm pushing the vision of the company. I actually have to talk to the accountants, talk to solicitors. Every day is totally different, it's fantastic. Yes, I'm on an apprenticeship course and it's great because I really wanted to do it because, as you can see, I never come off the tools. I actually did a buyout of the drilling and sawing side of the company in 2008 and I really didn't know how the equipment was used, so it's great to know because I have to buy all the equipment, make sure the men have got the right equipment, and I can never push this company on without knowing what the men do every day. The best thing about the job is actually pushing the company to the vision, and actually getting the company on the right road to where we want to be. Also seeing the fantastic jobs that we do. We've just done work on a cutty sark, we've just cut a side out of a big shark tank down in Plymouth. So really seeing the customers' feedback that the men do a fantastic job. It's great. An average day, as I said, they're all very, very different. I also have to do a lot of talks to customers, so I can go out and tell them what we do as the group for the diamond drilling and sawing. I can go out and meet customers. I come back, I go network, I will come back and make sure the company's back on track. I will then do my apprenticeship course. So really, there's never an average day, and that's what's so wonderful about it all. I won Businesswoman of the Year this year. It's been an amazing thing to have actually won. I couldn't believe I actually won it. I mean, the last people that won it were Hilary DeVay and Karen Brady. So, I mean, how fantastic. I mean, I have to go out and do a lot of talks, I have to do some official presentations. So it's been fantastic. And that's also why every day is different. Right, being a woman in industry, yeah, it's very different. I am the only woman in the industry in the UK, and I own one of the biggest, largest companies in the industry. So yeah, it is different. I think it does open doors, but I know when I open a door that, and when I'm through it, that the team behind me can deliver whatever I say my company to do. So it does help. It can be a battle, but there should be more women coming into the specialist sectors because we can make a difference. Young women joining the industry, then go for it. Usually women that come into the construction industry go to be quantity surveyors or engineers, but the specialist sectors can actually do with more women involved in them. And yes, if you don't understand what we actually do, that company does, then do an apprenticeship course, go to site, see the men, take some training courses, because we can make a difference in these specialist sectors. Skills to be a managing director or company owner. I don't think there is any right character or person to be that. It's just have a vision, know where you want to take the company and stick with it. It's a hard work, and know that you're going to give up a lot of things that in your life sometimes that have to give way, but really just go for it, see the vision and push on. Drill Group will be 4 to 5 times bigger than we are now. We're on the track, we're achieving it. We're actually going down the plan and the vision, and we actually will be there in 5 to 6 years, definitely.